Welcome to the M12 probe connection tutorial. In this video guide, we'll go over the correct way to connect M12 probes to the HiTemp140-M12. The HiTemp140-M12 is a rugged, high-temperature data logger that's incredibly versatile thanks to its M12 probe connector, allowing for a wide variety of M12 RTD probe styles to be attached to the logger. Attaching the different M12 probes to the data logger is a straightforward process, but requires the proper tools and attention so the chance of damaging the HiTemp140-M12 is minimized. The only tool you'll need to connect the probe to the HiTemp140-M12 is the wrench included with the data logger. Now that everything's gathered, take the logger and probe in hand and line the two ends up using the key on the probe's connection port as a guide. With the probe and the logger loosely joined, fit the 15mm hex wrench to the logger and tighten the connection until resistance can be felt. Make sure not to over-tighten the connection, as doing so could damage the HiTemp140-M12 or the probe. And if a wrench isn't readily available to tighten the connection, do not improvise by hand tightening or using tape to secure the logger to the probe. This could cause an improper connection and lead to moisture entering the logger, damaging the internal electronics. If you have any questions about the HiTemp140-M12 or the probes made for the data logger, please reach out to our technical support team. Thanks for watching.